Hey, let's give you a quick update on our compost water heater. This is day 30. Okay, so day 30, and we haven't done anything that's really required any work. Okay, the only thing we've done is we've harvested hot water from this, and we have watered the pile. That's it. Basically, yes, we've provided some water, but and then we've harvested some water. Okay, each night I get some hot water for a shower, essentially. So we have done no turning, no charging of the compost. And I haven't added anything to it. We haven't dug any holes and tried to charge it. We've done some monitoring and watering. That's it. Okay, so let's take a look at some of the readings that we have on day 30 to see where we sit, to see if we need to make any adjustments. All right, I have my measurement tools right here, surface temperature measure and compost thermometer. So let's just take a quick look at our temperature, and let's just find a spot here. Just kind of see where we're at. And I know it's cooled off for sure, so let's just take a look and see how much it's cooled off. Alright, so just past 110. It's already slowing down, so we know it's cooler. And we'll take, let's see, we'll take a couple measurements. Alright, so that's 115 or so. And let's see, what do we got? Okay, there's 120. Alright, we might get a couple more degrees. It's definitely cooled off. Let's check at the other side. Now you can definitely see the fungal growth. We've got tons of mushrooms all over the place, and that makes sense because we're basically filled with fungal foods. We've got manures, we've got straw, and that's the main ingredients here. So, okay, so let's take a look. Let's see. We always want to be careful not to penetrate the tubing. That's for sure. All right, so again, let's see. Creeping up 115. Yeah, maybe a little cooler even on this side, although it's definitely not in the middle, but close to it. Okay, so we've definitely cooled off. This one's even under 120 there. So, all right, so let's pull that out. We could check a few more spots, but I think it'll be similar. So let's check some temperatures of the water. I've got, what I did is this initial little run, I pulled out some of that water. So let's take a look at that as far as surface temps. Okay, 66 degrees. All right, let's dump that. All right, and what we'll do is I want to show you the steam and stuff that comes off of this. And again, we're not super hot or anything, but we're definitely I'm still taking a pleasant shower every night. All right, let's check that. Okay, that's 101. Let's do one more check. Okay. All right, so doing another check. Okay, 105.8. That seems pretty accurate. I'll tell you, because I'm taking a shower each night. I don't have to put any cool water in it. I fill it up and I go take a shower, and it's about perfect. Maybe it's slightly warm, but I like a hot shower anyway. So again, day 30, we're getting really good success from this. Still putting out really good hot water. So 120-ish pile is producing 105 degree water, which honestly is it's awesome. It's perfect. Now, I will make some adjustments now. What I will do is I want this thing to cook longer. 30 days is good, and I know we're going to hit 45, but I want to be able to do more than that. I want to try and hit 90 or so with this. So what we're going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of nitrogen. How am I going to do that? I'm going to do it with liquid. I'm going to do it with urine. human urine. I'm going to take human urine, I'm going to dilute it down. I'm probably going to use 1:5 ratio because I want high nitrogen. I mean, urine itself is really high nitrogen, but I need it to kind of spread to all of the places. So I will dilute it, and we'll see if we can't get these temperatures back up to, you know, say 130 or so. I'm happy with 120. It's not bad at all, but I would like to get this pile up to thermophilic composting, which is 130 or higher, for a little longer. Although I'll tell you, it's already kicked long enough to kill pathogens and kind of the bad biology. But I don't want it to turn to a static pile just yet.